Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com, and it's late Monday night, November 10th, and I want to take another look at CyberArk. This was a stock that I mentioned. I've done 2 or 3 videos on this. I don't know why I know why I'm fixated on it. I own it. This was the quote enthusiasm high. Stock pushed up against that high. Finally broke above it, only to break our hearts and pull back. And it actually, on a percentage basis, it kind of pulled back, about 5 points, which for a $37 stock doesn't feel very good. But it looks to me like on Friday, the stock hit this low, which is a significant low, and now we've got a new definition of support. I would say it's right underneath $32. On a percentage basis, if you're buying now, that's kind of a, it's a wide stop on a percentage basis, but still, you don't get to make your own chart. You have to take the one that's given you. But I think this was a healthy pullback. Let's look at the volume. In fact, let's do this. There, I wanted to take out that first day. In fact, I may take out another one. There. I just kind of want to get a better assessment of volume here. So, we've had all the big volume here. There, I decided to get them all out. So the high volume was in the initial trading, but now you look at this. This is a pretty, significant increase in volume over the last couple days, and the stock's gone up quite a bit. So as I look at this, I think this is a stock that you can buy right now. Somebody had asked me, I think it was Twitter, who said, they said like, hey, is cyber breaking down? And to be honest with you, I actually don't even remember if I answered that gentleman or not. But, it sure looked like it was breaking down, but just keep something in mind when you're, when you're looking at a stock like this, like literally what's the definition of breaking down? Because if this was the high, this is the low, this would be breaking down. Falling like to new lows or whatever. But that's not what this did. This literally just pulled back to the 20-day moving average and then gave us a little bounce. So I look at this little 4-day pullback as kind of like letting the steam out. And I think the stock is at a, of course it would have been better to buy it right at the low on Friday, but you don't get to do that. But I think this is a stock certainly you can still continue to own, and the way this thing's trading, it looks to me like after this 4-day flush, this is ready to move to a new high. I think you can buy it now as well. Just know that the stock's below its all-time high, but this is the way these IPO stocks trade. A lot of times they just kind of flit around this opening high here over the first few days, but then ultimately they move a lot higher. So anyway, I hope this helps. Members, I know it's late, but get over to the strategy session. There's actually several things that you can be doing to take action tomorrow.